What is up and welcome to another video. Today is Friday and we are once again approaching the weekend, guys. So yesterday we talked about BGB and the target for BGB is $1 for 2024. And look at the price today.
It's the final countdown.
BGB hit $1 today, guys. So if you are ready, we are going to talk about the biggest altcoin pump and about to pump this coming days and weeks. So if you are ready, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's talk about charts and trades. If you're ready, let's dive right in.
All my fellas. 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 All my fellas.
Welcome guys to another video. So I have prepared today several charts, several altcoins actually, because altcoins right now are going crazy. And of course, if you have watched my previous video analysis about BGB and the target in the coming years, today, I think yesterday it was like 50% away from $1, and today we have hit above $1, guys. So look at this, BGB is going crazy, guys, trading above $1 target. This was supposed to be like the target in the coming months, but we have hit it in just one single day. Also LPT, look at this, going crazy right now, guys. AGIX is going crazy. So if you have missed all of these altcoins, be sure to smash that like button, guys, subscribe and hit that notification bell if you don't want to miss any of these important trades, guys. So look at this BGB. Previously I have tweeted about BGB, guys, and we are going to do a lot of launchpad in BitGet in the future, and that is going to be an easy 10x. But before you FOMO, all charts and CA are for educational purposes only and should not be considered as a financial advice. Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index is on the extreme greed level right now, guys. So we have been hovering on this level, and previously, again, I'm gonna repeat this one more time. When Bitcoin hit the $69,000, the previous all-time high, Bitcoin greed or extreme greed level was at 74, and right now we are on 72, guys. So be extra careful in FOMOing into a lot of altcoins and into the current price of Bitcoin, there are still chances that we could continue to move up. But right now, I think we are again due for a correction. Again, I could be wrong. So always do your own research and analysis before you listen to someone on the internet. All right. So let's talk about Bitcoin. Let's talk about altcoins. And if you have any chart requests, questions, clarifications, drop it in the chat section down below. And we are 62 days away from the next Bitcoin halving. So thank you so much, guys, for joining me daily. We have our daily viewers, Majdi, joining us today, Arvin, Giovanni. We're going to do a lot of access in this coming bull run, guys. And when I talk about correction, we are talking about small or short-term correction, not a major correction like what El Capo of crypto is saying. I think we are not going to hit the 12,000. That is not going to happen, guys. So we'll see. The short-term target, if you have watched my previous analysis, you know the target. We'll talk about it again today if you have missed it. And also, drop your favorite altcoins in the comment section down below, because I think we are still going to hit that 2 trillion market cap, total market cap in the coming months, guys. So be ready and don't miss out on this one, because this is going to be a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Right now, BlackRock is pouring in all the money in crypto, and also Elizabeth Warren is slowly changing her views about Bitcoin and Satoshi Nakamoto. So today, she made a certificate for Satoshi, guys. Breaking, Elizabeth Warren signs a certificate to honor Bitcoin creator Satoshi Nakamoto with a ceremonial flag flying. Americans are forever grateful. Wow.
I got a bad feeling about this. Let's go!
So this is from Bitcoin Magazine, and there's actually a community note. So let's read this one. Let me just mute my... All right, there's a feedback. So for context, anyone can purchase a flag that has flown over the U.S. Capitol. Oh, we can now purchase a flag, guys, that has flown over the U.S. Capitol. U.S. Representative Jim Cooper said his website, like those of other members of Congress, has a link to the flag program. Therefore, it doesn't mean that Elizabeth Warren has pivoted her views on Bitcoin. So they're basically selling flags. So next one is Bitcoin is still hovering on that 52,000 level and holding that level, guys. So I'm going to share with you very important price action, and let's see if this plays out in the coming days. And Bitcoin is back today, right now, back to 1 trillion market cap.
It's the final countdown. The final.
This bull market is going to be crazy, guys. Imagine BlackRock is accumulating 4,000 Bitcoin daily. In 14 years, in the next 14 years, they are going to suck up all the entire Bitcoin supply if the trend is going to continue.
It's the final countdown.
And imagine the price of Bitcoin if that is going to happen. That is going to be crazy, guys. So if you are holding your Bitcoin, sit back, relax, fasten your seatbelt, and this is going to be a crazy ride, guys. Smash that like button, because soon enough the retails are going to flood the market. The retails right now are not yet back in the market, guys, and that is because of the YouTube and Google analytics. So if you're doing YouTube, you will see that right now it's not yet the all-time high for Google search about Bitcoin. So once that Google search about Bitcoin reached the all-time high, probably that is also the time to sell Bitcoin. So right now, the retails is not yet in the market. So we are still very much early, and this is going to be a long way to go, guys. This is the time to, I think if Bitcoin has changed my life, it can also change yours. So Bitcoin is back to 52,000, hovering at $52,000. Ethereum still holding that very important level, $2,800. USDT is still at number 3, 97 billion, guys. And again, I'm holding majority of my stables on USDT. Let me know what are other stables you're holding, because I need to diversify things just in case something happened to USDT, knock on the wood. All right, so BNB is also going crazy, guys, up by 11% in the past 7 days. And today, trending, Bitcoin is still number 1. Serenity Shield is at number 2, and VeChain, wow, VeChain is doing crazy price action today, guys. So US banks are also about to FOMO, guys. They want to change the rule of the Securities and Exchange Commission so that they can enter Bitcoin ETF market.
It's the final countdown.
This is crazy, guys. All these big market makers and asset managers are now into Bitcoin, and banks wants to join the game, guys. But hopefully SEC will allow. If that is going to happen, this is going to be the craziest bull market that you will ever see, guys. So next one, MicroStrategy or Michael Saylor. Previously, let me know if you have seen that tweet or the article previously. Let's try to find it, guys. Michael Saylor. Maybe it's we can find it somewhere here. Let's do MicroStrategy. So there was an article before. Here's the one. So documenting Bitcoin. So from Wall Street Journal, there was one article talking about Michael Saylor, guys. Michael Saylor bet billions on Bitcoin and lost. So this was published August 2022. And look at Michael Saylor right now, guys. There is a chance that his company, MicroStrategy, Bitcoin success sparks speculation that they could be potentially hit an entry on S&P 500. So this is super, super bullish news on MicroStrategy. And of course, Michael Saylor right now is sitting on a very, very good profit. So this is one benefit of being doing DCA, and of course having diamond hands. MicroStrategy unconventional Bitcoin bet is now worth $10 billion. Let's
go.
So look at this guy. So previously, all bearish news about Michael Saylor. He also stepped down as the CEO of MicroStrategy, but he believes strongly on Bitcoin. And right now, he is up by $10 billion. Crazy. So next one is Bitcoin. Again, let's look at this chart. And by the way, hi to Primo. Click the like button, fellas. Hey, early bird here. Emmanuel, let's go. All my fellas.
All my fellas. All my fellas.
Please chill. BTC update. So we are going to talk about BTC right now. We have also Faisal joining us on YouTube. Can we still accumulate in what correction area for Gala and Phil? Let me open up my notepad here and let's have a look if we can still accumulate, guys. So Primo wants to accumulate Gala and Phil. Gala and Phil for long term. So let's see if we can still get a chance. But if you are following El Capo of crypto, there is still a chance because he still believes that Bitcoin could hit $12,000. So if you're following El Capo, I think you'll you'll wait until maybe the entire eternity. Next one is Imtiaz. Hello, chill. Please share Sand chart. Let's go check out Sand as well today. Barbara Spencer. Hi, welcome to the stream, guys. Rashad A. Hey, man. SHLA. Shall? Shall BTC drop from here or from 57K level? We're going to talk about that right now and the possible target of this if we're going to see a correction, guys. Vi won't correct. We haven't accumulated Vi. Gala and Phil, Barbara Spencer, WLD. WLD is going crazy as well, guys. Rashad Inch. We have a lot of chart requests as well today. Manprit, DYDX. DYDX. Let me try to... let's see if we can accommodate all of this chart requests. Where can I find ETF trading update and volume? So I think you can in I think it's available in CoinGlass. They have ETF tab here. So basically you can check the volume. Each of the ETF participants, you can see the ticker here like the IBIT or iShares from BlackRock. You can see the volume here, the outstanding shares, market cap, and of course the these are all spot ETF, guys. So currently there are 24 spot ETF, and you can check it in CoinGlass. Coinglass.com. You click on this ETF tab and you will see the information about Bitcoin ETF and all of this ETF participants. Next one is Nikki S. We love you, bro. Love you too. Next one, Fed update. Fed update. Spiros. Hello, my friend. Remember the chart I shared about Link? The same chart now is happening with Matic. I've sent it on the VIP. Let's go check out Matic. AVAX. Actually, have a lot of chat today. Faisal, AVAX and gold, please. AVAX and gold. So let's see what we can cover today. Flow chart. Are we trading the entire coin market cap today? Where I find ETF trading update and volume, again, you can find it in CoinGlass under the ETF tab. Hi, what do you think about sleepless AI coin? I think it will leave you sleepless. Sleepless. I haven't checked about it. I haven't done my research about it, but we'll try if time will allow. So next one, again, Bitcoin ETF overview here. You can see the amount of volume, turnover rate, the share outstanding shares. So right now, BlackRock and Fidelity are sucking all the Bitcoin daily, guys. An average of 4 100,000 Bitcoin daily. And today, I think they have recorded the highest inflows of money into spot Bitcoin ETF. So I think this is super, super bullish news for Bitcoin, guys. And again, I've talked about the supply shock. So we are talking about small correction right now. If Bitcoin continues to move up, then we might see a bigger correction if that is going to happen. But right now, we need a healthy correction. Market is overheating. Fear and greed index is on the extreme fear level. And of course, BTC is just hovering on this resistance level, guys. This was the previous pivot point last December or January, and also last September. So the next target, we're going to hit all-time high if Bitcoin break this level, guys. That is going to be very likely. If Bitcoin weekly candle close above 53, then it is likely that we might hit all-time high here, the previous all-time high. So that is still likely, that is still on the table. But right now, in my own opinion, looking at the indicators, we are due for correction. Fear and greed index is at the extreme fear level. The oscillator is in the overbought area, guys. Crypto dollar shaking markets, USDT 100 billion ascends sparks debate. Money's flowing out of 20th century analog asset into Bitcoin. So right now, the gold, guys, the gold money is going into Bitcoin. So right now, they are slowly realizing that Bitcoin is the future store of value, guys, because this is a limited supply. 21 million Bitcoin forever. That is not going to increase. So if you know the supply and demand law, the lesser the supply and the higher the demand, the higher the price is going to be. So Michael Saylor breaks silence on BTC price. Here's what SHIB needs to finally erase zero. Oh, look at, let's go also check out SHIB, guys, because Shibarium has a lot of potential in the future. And of course, BGB, guys. So again, let's talk about Bitcoin first. So Bitcoin, again, if the weekly candle, let's go check out the weekly candle first, or the weekly time frame. So on the weekly time frame, this is still looking very bullish, guys. Look at this. The oscillator just flipped another bullish, going to the upside here. And also, look at this. We are on a continuous uptrend for almost, let's see, from $16,000. Bitcoin has been on a continuous uptrend for almost 462 days, guys, without major correction. And this looks like a parabolic run here from October until now. No major correction here for Bitcoin. So usually we should be able to see like 10, 20%, 30% correction. But right now we are seeing just small corrections, guys. Look at this, 14%. This is the type of correction that we want to see, like this one, 20%, 16%, 20%. That will be a healthy correction for Bitcoin. But right now we are seeing a parabolic rally here, a sideways movement, another parabolic rally here. In the lower time frames, we are seeing a sideways movement. And on the weekly time frame, Bitcoin is still looking very bullish, guys. So looking at the daily time frame again, the oscillator is already in the overbought area. And I think we are due for a correction because market or Bitcoin is overheating, guys. And look at this. These candles right here. Let me delete this one first. right, so we have a cleaner chart. So this candle right here could be a reversal candle, guys. Daily candle could be a reversal candle. And look at this. I have previously showed you this previous price action for Bitcoin that we could be doing similar to this kind of price action. So let's see the previous candles here if we can see similar pattern. So this candle right here is a potential reversal pattern. So we have seen this super bullish candle. We have formed higher highs, and then similar to what is happening to Bitcoin right now, we have seen higher highs here, higher highs, and then a possible reversal candle here. So probably if we could see this kind of price action, we might be seeing Bitcoin drop back to the original support trend line. And short term, this is going to be our target, which is similar to this one right here. So short term, I will be looking at around 42,000 level if we can see that similar price action. So let's use this bar patterns. Let's see if we can fit it on the current price action. So from here, let's do this one right here. So from here to this one, or this one. All right. So let's do this and let's compare. So this is the level. All right. So probably we are looking at this similar, we could be looking at this similar price action, guys. Let me just increase the contrast. So probably we could see similar price action to this one right here. And if that is going to happen, we have this major support trend line in confluence with this target right here. This is going to be my reaccumulation zone for Bitcoin. And we have this target right here. And short term, we have this smaller support trend line, which is this line right here. And that is going to be around $42,400. Again, my invalidation will be above $53,000. So let's see if this is going to play out in the coming days. We have a lot of bullish news in the market, and in the long run, I remain bullish for Bitcoin. But in my own opinion, short term, Bitcoin is due for a correction. And let's see how many percent if that is going to happen. That will be around 38%. If Bitcoin is going to drop back to 32, but short term, I'm expecting around 20% correction if Bitcoin drop back to this level right here. So almost similar price action to the previous area here around March. So let's see if this will play out in the coming days and weeks. Again, I'm predicting a possible shakeout before the next Bitcoin halving, which will happen on April, guys. So let me share this chart in our Discord. And of course, I'm going to share this on Twitter. And probably I'm going to get a lot of hate on this chart, guys. Bitcoin.
Let's go!
So that's my view on Bitcoin, guys. Let me know your thoughts on this analysis. What do you think about my analysis? Drop them in the comment section or in the chat section down below. Do you think we are due for a correction, or are we going to see that $69,000 in the coming months? Drop them in the comment section down below. I would like to hear your thoughts, guys. Next one, we are going to talk about, again, if you want to trade Bitcoin, short commercial first, there is an airdrop, $500 airdrop in Bybit, and you can claim this one. All you have to do is just to create an account in Bybit, and you must hold at least $100 in your account. Click this link right here, fill up the form, and within 2 weeks, your request will be processed. So take advantage of this. You can actually go on a $500 USDT position on Bybit if you want to go on long on Bitcoin, or if you want to go on a short position. So right now there is still 45% remaining, guys. So take advantage of that one. And also AIOZ network have hit our final target here, which is 60% from our spot buy zone. We have this bearish divergence on the oscillator, so be sure to secure some profit.
Let's go!
Again, all the indicators that I'm using in most of my charts, I'm using Chart Prime, one of the best paid indicator, guys. You can take advantage of their 50% discount if you're going to use my referral link in the description down below. Plus, you can get a free 7 days trial. Next one is AGIX. Let's see what will be the next possible resistance and pivot point for AGIX. So I will be looking at this level, guys, very, very closely. So this was the previous resistance zone for AGIX last February, and also major pivot point last April. So keep an eye on this one. 2 levels that you need to keep an eye on. First one is going to be at around 0.56 up to 0.47. Next level, major resistance is around 0.57. So keep an eye on this one. Right now, oscillator is still looking very bullish. Singularity net to hold AMA on X on February 14. So keep an eye on that. Also important updates on AGIX, guys. So February, that was 2 days ago. Live stream on February. They have actually a lot. They had a lot of live stream that I think triggered this kind of pump for AGIX. So keep an eye on this area. Possible resistance and reversal point for AGIX. Resistance and possible short entry. Again, all charts in CA are for educational purposes only and should not be considered as a financial advice. So this is the next resistance zone and safer short entry. All right, so let me share this in our Discord under the watch list channel. AGIX next resistance zones. Next one, let's talk about LPT, guys. LPT is going crazy, and I think it can still go up to $15 to $16 area. This is going to be the next resistance point for LPT. Again, this too is the major movers today, guys, and probably we are going to see a correction on the resistance level. So keep an eye on that very important level. So if LPT is going to break this one, then another leg up is going to be very much likely. But for short term, let's actually check the Fibonacci level of this area. Let's do this one right here as a swing high, swing low. That will be 50% Fibonacci level. 61 going to be around $19. So these are going to be the next resistance levels for LPT. $19 and $16 area. Oscillator is also approaching the overbought area here. Liver pair to hold AMA on the 15th. So also a lot of ongoing events in the AMA. I think that is also one of the reasons that triggered this price surge. So LPT next resistance levels. We have also Andrej Kozak joining us on YouTube.
Let's go!
So previously I've talked about and tweeted about the total crypto market cap, which is sitting currently at $1.9 trillion. And I think this is going to be the 61.8 Fibonacci golden ratio, guys. 61.8 at $2 trillion. And I think it is still likely that in the coming months, total crypto market cap is going to hit this level, guys. This was also the previous pivot point last March 2022. So we have a good confluence on this very important level. Ziyad Alamat, Matic, please. Let's go check out Matic because I think it is also one of the chart requests today from Rashad. The truth of the day, when are you expecting altcoins? First rally. I think we are already in altcoin rally, guys. We have seen, look at this, we have seen BGB move. Yesterday we talked about BGB. The price was, if you haven't watched my previous video, guys, yesterday's live stream, look at this. Let me just do a quick recap here. So go on the live section. If you are subscribed to the channel, guys, go on to the live tab here and also click on the previous live stream, and you can actually skip using all of this timestamp here. So let me play this one here, and you can actually skip, guys. So we talked about all of these altcoins yesterday. Alpha, which did really, really well, guys. It hit the 4 target. And let's go check it out actually today. And also, we talked about BGB yesterday. So let me find it. Bybit, ICP, Inch, BGB. Where's BGB? I think this was the old video. So you can also search it here. So BGB live. We'll do it here. So this one right here, Crypto Gem. We have talked about BGB on this stream, guys. Look at this. BGB was trading at around 0.72 2 days ago. And we have talked about the targets, guys. This was the targets for BGB here. So that is why it's very important. Let me find it. So here, let me just play it very quickly, guys. Very quickly. Do a quick recap here. So 10x. Go on the live section if you are subscribed to my channel, guys. Go on to the live tab here. Actually, I can do that because I think my YouTube is also playing here. Let me just mute it first, and we can play this previous which analysis. Is 50 to 100,000 here. If BGB is going to hit the $2 target. So let's see. And if you find this video useful, or if you have learned something today, don't forget, don't be shy to smash that like button, guys. Smash. So yesterday we talked about the target for BGB, this 2024, 2025, 2026, up to 2035. So there are still a lot of potential for BGB or BitGet native token. Again, this is not a paid or sponsored video from BitGet, guys. I'm not promoting BitGet. This is not paid ad or video. Again, I'm holding my BGB because we can do a lot of launchpad in BitGet in the future, guys. And also, I think BGB is the early stage of Binance or BNB token. So BNB, we have already seen BNB move from $40 into crazy $300 to $400 in the previous cycle. And we haven't seen that price action yet from the BGB token. So I think this is going to be big. This bull market, this parabolic run is going to be big on the exchange tokens, not only on BitGet or BGB, but also you can look at other exchanges like OKX. I don't know if Bybit, if they have their own native token, but OKX, they have like OKC, I think, and BGB. I'm looking at this very bright future for BGB because I think BitGet is doing a great job in developing their app. And of course, I'm also trading in BitGet. I'm using the platform. I think, in my own opinion, there is still a huge potential for BGB token in the future. Look at this, guys. This is crazy. So I have tweeted about BGB when it was at 0.18, guys. We have already made 5x on this one from the previous buy zone. And I think we are going to hit the $2 area, which is going to make us 10x from that initial entry point, guys. So keep an eye on BGB. This is going to hit the $2 in the coming bull market. If Bitcoin will hit the next all-time high, I think BGB will hit $2. So keep an eye on this one. Again, not a financial advice.
I got a bad feeling about this.
All right. So next one, we'll go on with the chart request and Q&A. So drop your comments, questions, clarifications, chart request in the chat section or in the comment section down below. You have 1 minute.
All my fellas. 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 All my fellas.
Don't forget to grab your Bybit, guys. Bybit 500 USDT trading bonus. So feel free to click the link, create an account, deposit at least $100 in your account, and fill up that form in Bybit. And if you don't want to verify your account, no KYC required on Fairdesk, guys. And of course, you can get access into our Discord if you click that referral link, trade with me in Fairdesk or Bybit, deposit at least $100 into your account, and drop me a message in on my social media account or on my Telegram account, and you will get 1 month access into our Discord community, guys. Let me So we are going to do Gala, Phil. We have actually have a lot of chart requests today. Probably we'll go and check out Matic as well. Inch, DYDX, FET, AVAX, Gold Flow, Sleep AI, Shibarium, Shiba Inu. All right. Where find order block or liquidity. Again, you can find this information in CoinGlass, guys. You can go on data and or liquidation here. You can do the liquidation heat map, or you can use Bookmap to check out Bitcoin liquidity zone or liquidation areas. What are your thoughts on Near protocol? Near, so let me just also write it down. Let's go check out Gala and possible buy zones for Gala. I don't know actually what's the current update with the founders of Gala. I think the latest information on my head is they are filing case against each other. So let me know if you have any update on that. Otherwise, I remain neutral on Gala. But if they can settle their differences, then probably we might see a good price movement on Gala. So let's go check out Gala and probably buy zones for Gala. Gala is still in an overall downtrend, guys. Overall downtrend. We have this resistance trend line. Looks like a so short term. Actually, this is still in a buy zone here. So right now the price is approaching the zone resistance. Probably good long right now. Short term. So Gala is still on the in an overall downtrend. So these are going to be my buy zones, guys. One head of Gala is working on a new gaming project, which will be live very soon. That is good to know. But I want to hear the update about the founders, because the last information again on my head is I think they are filing case against each other. Correct me if I'm wrong, but that's the latest information that I got. So this is going to be my buy zones for Gala at around 0.02 and back to this level. There is still a chance that Gala would wick down to this level, but right now it looks like a good bro chart of Matic, please. We'll go check out Matic today, guys. So let me check. Time check. 49. Wow. Time flies. So again, looks like a good long here for Gala, guys. We have this support trend line. Oh, this is the daily time frame. So buy zone for Gala, probably if we get lucky. Short term, you see the price. This is about to break out from the bigger wedge, or looks like a wedge probably. Looks like a falling wedge here. And the target of this breakout, first target is going to be at around 0.04, which will be around 80%. So this is going to be crazy. And 4-hour time on the daily time frame, looks like we are, or Gala's price got rejected from this very high order block level, but we have this 200 exponential moving average and 50 exponential moving average acting as a support right now. Probably gonna do a quick long for this. Again, don't FOMO on this trade. We'll do a shorter time frame in a few seconds. Just let me just do a initial entry here for Gala. All right. So looking at this daily time frame again, the oscillator is on the overbought area. So probably we might see a short-term drop back to this level and then eventually break out, because this is still forming higher lows here. Higher lows, guys. So 50 exponential moving average is about to flip above the 200, which is a bullish cross. We have actually bearish cross here. Not a bearish cross, but this is about to cross or flip bullish here on the daily time frame. So if we can get an entry around this area, short term, going to be my long entry point here. Probably a good spot trade, short term for Gala. So from 0.025 up to 0.024 is going to be my spot buy zone. Stop loss will be below this candle wick right here. That will be around 0.02, which is 20% on spot, or around 18%. But the target, this is going to be our first target here. Breakout target is going to be around 0.035. But let's hope that Gala would break out from the resistance trend line. That is going to happen. Probably the price would hit 0.05, which will be around 80% from the current price level. Let's go check out the lower time frames. 4-hour time frame, we have a bullish flip here. So probably we wait for the price to drop a little bit here. But I have started to DCA already on Gala. So shorter time frame, if we're going to zoom in, we can still reduce the risk here. So probably long, same level, but we can reduce the risk to around 11%. That will be around 11% risk versus 25% reward for Gala. Okay, let me share this one first in our Discord. If we can wait for the price, if we get lucky enough to get in around near the 200 exponential moving average, that will give us like around 8% risk here. Probably we can move it a little bit up. Better stick around, I think, here. All right, so let's do 7%, guys. Let's consider this week right here. This will be our invalidation for our long position. And this is going to be the zone, guys, from 0.24 up to 0.256 area. Short term, take profit zone will be back to this level. TP1 area, 0.27. TP2, 0.31. And TP3 will be 0.35. And long-term, medium-term target, moonshot, will be around 0.05. Let's hope that Bitcoin will not throw some tantrums in the weekend, over the weekend, guys. Maybe put it in the all right. So this is going to be my short-term leverage long position entry for spot trade. Wait for the price to drop back to this level. And this is going to be our long-term buy zones, guys. 0.2 and probably back to 0.15 level. For now, I have entered short-term long position on Gala. All right, so next one is Polygonmatic. Again, I would be extra careful of long positions right now because, again, Bitcoin is on the extreme fear level. Bitcoin is due for a correction, in my own opinion here. Currently trading on the resistance, and probably we are seeing a reversal candle here short term. And this is going to be the next possible price action for Bitcoin, guys. I think did I share this in our Discord? Probably let me share it first. Under Bitcoin's channel. Bitcoin. Action. All right. Polygonmatic, I think this is going to be our last chart, guys. We are over